Hello YouTube and welcome to my build and review of the LEGO Galaxy Explorer. Now let me tell you, this is one heck of a ship. It's my favorite spaceship I've ever built, and that includes all the Star Wars stuff I have. But that might be quite of a controversial statement, so I'll let the comments decide what they think. So check it out. This is the Galaxy Explorer. It retails for $129.99 Canadian, and there's a limit of just one per customer. It has 1,254 pieces, which is quite substantial, and it's rated 18 plus. So it is definitely an adult set, not something you want to buy your kids for their birthday. It celebrates 90 years of LEGO creations. It's an upscale anniversary tribute to the classic 497 LEGO Galaxy set, which is something they released in the 80s. So this 1,254 piece set includes 4 astronauts, 2 whites and 2 red guys, and their robot helper, plus a surface rover and accessories. The ship itself has a retractable ramp, which you'll see in the video. You open up the back doors and the ramp comes out. It's super awesome. Tons of playability. Considering it's an adult set, I think your kids will have a good time playing with it once it's built. There's living quarters that feature 2 beds, computers, storage. It's quite intricate, the interior of the spaceship, which is my favorite part. There's also a sliding door, which is super cool. You'll get to see all of that in the build. I hope you guys enjoy. I've always wanted the astronauts, and that was my main driving force to get the 2 white astronauts and the 2 red astronauts. I've been watching all kinds of posts online where people are showing off their collections where they have all the colors. I might get there one day, but starting off small. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. This will be the last you hear of me. So have fun and stay creative. This is Kesh at home building the Galaxy Explorer.